We bought two RGB LED lights, one for Christmas tree decoration, other one terrace gatherings. This one comes from LED floodlight, and it specs are very interesting. 50 watt power, under 20 degree beaming angle, and there is some the color kelvins it is mentioned here, and also super brightness, long life 50,000 hours. It says it's very good. Wide voltage performances and glare free. Working temperature -30 to +50, and some other high performance others, logos, everything is here. On this side there is a certificate. Country yard, warehouse, hotel, basement, park lot, something, so many things you can use this one. So, and also it comes with IP66 waterproof rating and also with remote control. This is LED floodlight, and this one is branded one. This comes from T-Sun. This is LED floodlight with ultra thin energy efficient design, and also it is 50 watt, energy saving 85%. Yes guys, less electricity consumption, high power, that is what it is. And this is RGB black color, then nothing else it is mentioned. And AC 175 to 225 you can do it. On the side there is mentioned as A. This also A certified, that also A certified. Hi, welcome back to Freeway Studio. Today we have got an epic showdown between two fantastic RGB LED floodlights, guys. The 50 watt ultra thin with anti-dazzle mask and the 50 watt anti-glare. Which one will illuminate your world better? Stick around us, we break down the features, performances and everything in between. Let the battle begin. Starting off with the design, the 50 watt ultra thin lives up to its name with a sleek minimalist profile. Both has tempered glass, both has anti-dazzle and anti-glare protection, both has die-cast heat sinks in the back. But noticeable difference is ultra made of metal and the other made of aluminum. Both has 72 bits of LEDs, both has 160 degree rotations to fix anywhere, and 120 degree beams coverage for wide areas. The LED 50 watt floodlight has a robust build quality. The ultra fully covered in the back and no gap is visible, but the other has a small gap between the front frame and the back cover. So better cover the top for accidental leakage and the back due to the gap. Both comes with IP66 waterproof rating, so rainy days won't damage your lamp. Both can mounted at ceiling, wall, ground, anywhere. Even like a tripod, you can mount it. Installation also very easy. You can do it yourself. No professional support is needed. So, which one looks better for you guys? Comment down below. One more thing before buying the LED. The first thing to know is that color temperature is measured in kelvins. That's marked as K. There is different ranges for warm white 2700 to 3500 K, natural white is 3500 to 4500, so on so on. It will go like that. But ultra shows 3000 to 4000 kelvins, but the normal floodlight it is printed in different kelvins for the colors. So you can select which one is better suits for your needs. And I will show you both side by side. Did you notice any differences? Let me know in the comments below. Both has a remote control, but one remote you can operate both the devices. It has 16 color combinations and 4 brightness level adjustments you can do for your locations or atmosphere. It's working fine, so that's cool. It is greatly suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use it inside at a wedding, birthday parties, or outside at Christmas light display, barbecue nights, or even a security lightings, street lightings, anything. Many LED floodlights are out there. The reviewed LED lights, purchase links given in the description. If you like, check it out. And the prices for both ranged around $30 range only. Finally, we come to the end of this video. So finally we found this LED floodlight, and this is ultra thin floodlight. We found it little better. This ultra thin floodlight is performance is little bit more than the normal 50 watt floodlight. So what do you think based on our show-ups? So let me know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Previous Studio. Thanks for watching.